In 2022, Digicel, PNG's bigger, better network, was put to test to compete against its new rival in the country, which is twice as much as its size, Vodafone. This results in a business competition and an economical warfare between these two big tech companies in the networking space of the country. To establish itself in the country's economy, Vodafone started to give out up to 6 free SIM cards with 1 GB of data in it to every individual with a valid student or an employee ID in the nation's capital, Port Moresby. Felt being economically threatened, Digicel wanted to prove that it's still the best ISP internet service provider to its loyal customers, introduced SIM swap strategy at the same time as Vodafone was doing its free SIM card rollout. This was to reduce the number of Vodafone SIM cards from the hands of customers and prevent Vodafone from expanding. Digicel gave out 5 GB of free data in its Red Club SIM cards for swapping with a Vodafone SIM card. In other words, you exchange a free Vodafone SIM card for a free Digicel Red Club SIM card that has 5 GB of mobile data in it and is valid for 3 days. The SIM swap strategy really worked for Digicel, making it very hard for Vodafone to establish a steady customer base in the nation's capital, Port Moresby, since this is where these two big tech companies' headquarters are located. It took Vodafone several struggling months to figure out its next move before proceeding to take its next big step forward. Rather than the head-on collision attack, since Digicel was so hard to defeat in the nation's capital, Vodafone decided to extend its reach out to other centers in the country. This method of attack from different sides has shown some positive impact on Vodafone by increasing its revenue streams up to 15% as well as its customer base, with great potential of increasing in the coming future. While Vodafone's counter-attack from different sides has created a market gap and increased its growth potential, Digicel still remains unbeatable for now. Vodafone, with a higher probability of taking over Digicel in the country's telecommunications sector, seems to be very likely to occur, posing Digicel head threat. However, Digicel still has the upper hand over Vodafone in terms of its well-established high-speed networking systems as well as its investment and assets in the country. To be true, Digicel has earned the trust of the people over many years of quality service and big investments to the country, thus causing a not that easy to break bond with the people of Papua New Guinea. The commercial value of Digicel in the country has portrayed a clear picture enough for Vodafone to see that if Vodafone were to take over Digicel, it will not come in a small price or be served in a golden plate. The economical battle between these two big multi-million-dollar tech companies are ongoing and unpredictable. They are coming up with different business ideas and tactics every day to promote and expand themselves in the tech industry sector. With that being said, it almost took me 3 weeks to create and edit this video including its script, but it will take you less than 5 seconds to give a like to this video, subscribe to the channel, and please leave a comment. This really helps the channel out, so please don't forget to show your support and give a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment for me to improvise and come out with best videos in my later videos to come. Thank you for watching and see you later on my next video. Cats.